Hello children, welcome to Meri Kids School. Today we are going to learn some useful cleaning item names. Let's begin. This is a broom. A broom is used to sweep dust and dirt from the floor. It helps keep our home clean. This is a bucket. A bucket is used to carry water and cleaning supplies. It is a common household item. This is a sponge. A sponge absorbs water very easily. It is useful for cleaning surfaces. This is detergent. Detergent helps remove dirt and stains. It is commonly used for washing clothes. This is soap. Soap helps wash away dirt and germs. It is important for hygiene. These are cleaning gloves. They help protect our hands while cleaning. They are often made of rubber. This is a dustpan. A dustpan is used together with a broom. It helps collect swept up dirt. This is window cleaner. It helps make glass surfaces shiny and clear. It removes fingerprints and dust. These are paper towels. Paper towels absorb spills quickly. They are useful for many cleaning tasks. This is a mop. A mop is used to clean and polish floors. It helps keep floors fresh and spotless. Great job children! Today we learned some cleaning item names. Which cleaning item do you use most often? Tell us in the comments. Like, share and do subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.